Hello students of class 5. So in this video I will start from page number 13. So this is your page number 13. You see successor and predecessor of a number. Successor and predecessor of a number. So I will start from practice. This is your type 1. Write the successor of. First question 6. Write the successor of. Okay. So successor means, you see, if I say what is the successor of 3? The successor of 3 is 4. What is the successor of 4? Successor of 4 is 5. Okay. That means what I have to do in here? In here, successor of 3. If question it is asked that what is the successor of 3? So the answer will be what you will do. What number comes after 3? After 3 comes 4. So therefore the successor of 3 is 4. And next again the successor of 4. That means what number comes after 4? 5 comes after 4. So therefore 5 is the successor of 4. Now what is the successor of this number? The successor of this number, that means I have to find what number comes after this. Okay, what number will come after this number? To find it, you see, when the numbers were small, it was very easy, because we know that after 3 comes 4, after 4 comes 5. And let's say if you are confused that what number comes after this number, you can do in here, you see 670869 plus 1. Add 1 to it. Okay, add 1 to it. This one I will get 7807, this one. So therefore the successor of, you will write the SU, successor spelling SUCCESSOR. The successor of 6869 is 670870. This is the answer. Next again number B, you see 1261889. What is the successor of this number? What is the successor of this number? That means what number comes after this number? What I will do here? 161889 plus 1 I will do. This is 10, 9, 8, 1, 6, 2, 1. I am directly writing the answer. So the successor of this number is 12,61890. This is the number. 12,61,890. What is the successor of 12,61,889? The successor of 12,61,889 is 12,61,890. This is the answer. So in here what we have learned, to find the successor of a number. Remember, it is very important to find the successor of a number. What I will do, I will add 1 to that number. Let's say what is the successor of, if I am asked what is the successor of 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. What is the successor of this number? What you will do? You will add 1 to this number. This is 10, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. So therefore the successor of this number is this one. Understand? You will add 1. To find the successor, you will add 1. And next it is predecessor. Okay, next it is predecessor. So let's say if I want to find the predecessor of a number. Predecessor means, for example, what is the predecessor of 3? That means what number comes before this number? What number comes before? So what number comes before 3? It is 2. What is the predecessor of 4? Predecessor of 4 is 3. Predecessor of 6, 5. What number comes before? So in here 4316800. What is the predecessor of this number? To find the predecessor, Remember, when we doing successor, when we were doing successor, we used to add 1. In predecessor, what we will do? We will subtract 1. Okay, minus 1 we will do. We will subtract 1. So this is, I will have to carry from here. This is 10 minus 1, 9. This is 9. This will be 7, 6, 1, 3, 4. So our number is 43, 16, 799. So what is the predecessor of this number? The predecessor of this number is this one. Remember, to find the predecessor, we subtract 1, and to find the successor, we add 1. This one only. Again, it is nothing. Next, you see page number 14. Okay, page number 14, type 3. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Place value. Okay, 40345,816. Now, what is the place value of this underlined digit? Underlined digit is 3. So what is the place value of 3? So very easy there, you see. Place value of 3 is, place value of this 3, it will be, you see, after 3, to find the place value is very easy there. You first of all, you write 3. Okay, and after 3, how many digits? Okay, so to find the place value, I will write, first of all, I will write 3. Okay, place value of 3 is 3. And then after that, what I will do, you see, after this 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. So after 3, you give 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is the answer. Okay, and since this number, it is in Indian place value system, so therefore in here after 3 I will give comma, and then this one comma. Okay, again nothing there. If you do not give the comma also, then also it is correct. Okay, it is not wrong. Next, you see number B, 3,46,00,866. 8 is underlined. So in here, place value of 8. Place value of 8 is, you write 8. Okay, place value of 8 is, you write 8. And after that, you see, after 8, how many digits are there? 2 digits, so 2 zeros. Finished. Place value of 8 is 800. Next, you see number C, 6,62,31,573. So in here, this 6 is underlined. Okay. So in here, you see, since 2 6 are there, I will write place value. In here, I will write place value of the underlined digit. Okay, place value of the underlined digit, because since in here 2 6 are there, so if I write place value of 6, so it does not means which 6 I am saying, this 6 place value or this 6 place value. So since in here 2 6 are there, so I will write place value of the underlined digit. That means place value of this 6. It is equals to, so I will write first of all 6. Understand? And after 6, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to find the place value. So next, you see type 7 I will go. Okay, type 7 I will go. So this is skip in twos between the two numbers. Okay, skip in twos. Question saying skip in twos between the two numbers. Okay. So This is, you see, 46 comma 582 to 46 comma 590. Okay, skip in twos between the two numbers. So you see, that means, you see, this is 46,582. Okay, 46,582. Okay, now skip in twos. That means the next number, okay, the next number that will come, you can find it. You see, one thing I am showing you, you can find it, skip in twos. Okay, that means two numbers I will have to skip starting from this number. Okay, two numbers I will have to skip starting from this number. That means 46,582, then what comes? 46,583, then comes 46,584. Yes, so I will write 46,584. Okay, then again two numbers I will have to skip. 46,584, then again 46,585, then next 46,586. So I will write 46,586. Okay, and I am giving this one, and then next one again 46,586, then 46,587, then comes 46,588. Okay, that is skip in twos. Okay, skip in twos between the two numbers. Okay, so the numbers are 46,584, 46,586, and 46,588. Understand? And one thing I am saying, if you want to find it, you see, skip two numbers. That means two numbers I will have to skip. Okay, so 46,582. So the next number, this one you see. So skip in twos, plus 2 I will do. Okay, this is 48564. So first answer I got 46,584. Okay, and then to find the next number, you add it again. That is only skip in twos. Okay, you add it to 68564, 46,586. Then again with this you add 2. This is 88564, 46,588. This one finished. Understand? Next again, question number 8. Skip in tens. Now what's saying that skip in tens and write 5 numbers starting from. Okay, skip in tens and write 5 numbers starting from. Starting from this one. Understand? Write 5 numbers starting from. So first of all, since saying that starting from, so I will write this number 85,670. I will write. Now what says skip in tens. That means 85670. What I will add? Skip in tens. When earlier it said that skip in twos, I added 2. Now saying that skip in tens, so I will add 10. 08658. So next number it will come is 85680. Understand? Now again write 5 numbers. Okay, this is 1, 2. Again 3 numbers I will have to write. Again you add it 1. Add 10. So this one I will get 9658. So next what I will get? 85690. Understand? Again I will have to add 10. So 85690 plus 10. This is 0, 10, 7, 5, 8. So the next number I will get, it is 85,700. Again plus 10, 0, 1, 7, 5, 8. So this is 85710. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one finished. Understand? Skip in tens. That means plus 10 I will do. Okay, skip in twos, plus 2 I will do. Skip in tens. That means plus 10 I will do. Okay. So next it is question number 9. Question number 9, it is saying that skip in tens and write 5 numbers starting from this one. Okay, skip in tens, same question only. Okay, same question only. So I will go to type 10. Type 10, it is saying that skip in hundreds. Skip in hundreds and write 5 numbers starting from this. Starting from 7,63,500, right? Skip in tens and write 5 numbers. So skip in hundreds. Okay, skip in hundreds. So what I will add? Skip in hundreds. What I will add? 100 I will add. 006,367. Okay, so since it is starting from this number, so first of all I will write it 6. This number I will write, and then the next number it will be 7,63,600. Understand? Again, next number will be 7,63,700. Skip in hundreds. Next number will be 63,800. Next number will be 7,63,900. So 5 numbers becoming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our answer. Okay. Remember, skip in twos means plus 2 I will do. Skip in tens means plus 10 I will do. Skip in hundreds means plus 100 I will do. Skip in thousands means plus 1000. Okay. So now next what I will discuss, next I will discuss about addition. Okay, next I will discuss about addition. I hope these things you have already learned. Okay, these are not so much hard. These things this is I am doing page number 15. Okay, page number 15. Understand? So this is type 1. Find the sum of the following. Find the sum of the following. 53,44,013 plus 14,53,098 plus. So you have already learned this how to plus. Yes, 8 plus 3 it will be 11. Yes, 1 1. Next this is 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11. This is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 5 9, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 1 6. So this is our answer. Understand? So in here, in addition and subtraction, so much I will not discuss because I hope you have already learned these things in lower classes. Okay, I hope you have already learned these things. Now I am going to page number 19. Okay, I am going to page number 19. So since this is a revision video, it is a revision video, so therefore each and every sum I am not doing. I hope you already know how to multiply, how to add, how to subtract. You have already learned these things. So in here just I will do a few sums I will do. This is page number 19, you see. Page number 19, type 2. Okay, write in the vertical form. Write in the vertical form. Write in the vertical form and multiply. Okay, write in the vertical form and multiply. This is your first. 768 into 594. Write in vertical form. Vertical form means in this. How this one you see. Vertical form means 768 into 594. This is your vertical form. Okay. Now I will multiply. So this is 4 8 32. 2 I will write here. 3 I will write. Okay. So next 4 6 24. 24 plus 3 27. Yes. 4 7 28. 28 plus 2 30. Next 9 8 72. 72. 9 6 54. 54 plus 7. Wait a minute. 9. This is 72. Okay. 54. 54 plus 7. How much it will become? 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So this is 6, 1. Next. 9 7 9 7 63. 63 plus 6, 69. 69 I will do. Next. 5 8 40. 5 8 40. Yes. 5 6 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 34. Okay. Next 5 7 35. 35 plus 3, 38. So next now I will add it. So this is 2, 7 plus 2 is 9, this is 1, this will be your 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 4 16, next it will be 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 15, and next 4 I will write here. So this is the answer. Understand? Let me check the back answer. Let me check the back answer. Okay, so in here you see type 2, this is your page number 19, type 2 number 1. Okay, that one I have done here. So the answer is you see 456, this one 456192. Yes, 456192. Understand? So this is your multiplication. Next one I will show you from division. Find the quotient and remainder. Type 3, find the quotient and remainder. This one you will find the quotient and remainder. So this is 26 32 626 there. Let me write it nicely. This is 32 626 and this is 26. So now what I will do, I will check with 26 into 1. Yes, 26 ones I will do. So this is 26 ones are 26. This is 12 minus 6, I will get 6, and then this 6 will come down. Yes. Next again 26 into 2 if I do, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4 5. So 26 2s are 52. And this is 6 minus 2, it is 4 1, and this is 2. 26 into this one 3 4 4 5. Okay, 5 if I do, I will get 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 130. So 26 5s are 130 I will get. Yes. So this is 2 1, and then again 6 will come down. Now 26 6s are, you see 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12. No, I am not getting in here. So 26 5, sorry, 26 4s are 26 into 4, 6 4s are 24, 4 2s are 8, 9 10. So 26 4s are 104. 6 minus 4, I will get 2 here, and this one I will get 2. So therefore quotient, quotient, quotient will be this one 1254, and remainder will be 22. Understand? Remainder will be 22. Let me check the back answer. Yes, quotient it is 1254 and remainder it is 20. Okay, so in here you can give the minus sign, minus, minus, and minus. Okay, so next I will go to type 4. Let us do some long divisions here. Write the long division from and find the quotient and remainder. Okay, long division and find the quotient. In here, let me check number G I will do. Okay, number G. 583, 398 divided by 53. Okay, so this one you see now. Let me write it nicely. 583, 398, 53. So now 53 ones are 53. So this one it will become 8 minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 8 minus 3, I will get 5, and then this 3 will come down. Okay, so now 53 ones are 53. So this one minus, this one it will become 0, next 3 will come down. Now you see. Now one thing it is important here, that 3, it is a new number that has come down. Yes, it is a new number that has come down. And 3 is less than 53. So 3 I will not be able to divide by 53. Yes, 3 I will not be able to divide by 53. Listen very carefully because this is very important in division. 3 has come down. Yes, 3 has come down. And 3 it is less than 53. Now 3 I cannot divide it by 53. So what I will do? I will use 53 zeros. Okay, 53 zeros are 0 I will write. So this is 3 minus 0. I will get 3. Now 9 will come down. Yes, now 9 will come down. Okay, Now you see, now also I cannot divide. This is 39 and this is 53. Now also I cannot divide. So what I will do? Again I will give a 0 here. So this is 0, 39 minus 0, 39, and next 8 will come down. 8 will come down. Okay. So now I will check it. 53 into, you see here, 53 into 7, 7. 3 sevens are 21, 5 sevens are 35, 36, 37, 37. So 53 sevens are 371, and this one I will get 7, this one I will get 2. So now this is the remainder. 27 is the remainder. Okay, now no number is there to come down, so 27 it is the remainder. So therefore I will write quotient. Quotient will be this one. Okay, 11007, and remainder will be what? Remainder will be 27. Let me check the back answer. This one I have done number 4, number G. So yes, quotient it is 11007 and remainder 27. So this is, that's why I have chosen this sum. Okay, this one you remember, very important. Okay, next again you see, next another one sum I will do. Let's do number L. Okay, 626,289 divided by 69. So this is your solution. This one, 626,289 divided by 69. Now you see, this is first number 6, next 262, it is less than 69, so I will have to take up till here, 626 I will have to take. Okay. So 69 into, let's check with 9. 9 6 9 9 81. Let's check with 8. Okay, so 9 8 72, 6 8 48, 48 plus 7 I will get 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 55. Let's check if I do it with 9. 9 9 81 I will get, 9 6 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62 I will get, 62. Yes, 9. No, I will use 9 here. Okay, 69 9s are, because it is 621. It is less than 626. So this is 621 minus 6 minus 1. It is 5, and rest of it will become 0 only. No need to write here. Next 2 will come down. Okay, next 2 will come down. Now you see, this is your minus. Okay, this is minus. 2 will come down. Now you see here, this is 52. Yes, and this is 69. 2 has come down. This is 52. 52 it is less than 69. I cannot divide 52. So what I will do? 0 I will do. 69 zeros are 0. Minus I will do, then 52 I will get. Now what will become? 8 will come down. Yes, now 8 will come down. Okay. So now 69 into 7. 7 9s are 63. 6 7s are 42. 48 I will get. So 69 7s are 483. Minus 8 minus 3, 5 I will get. This is 12 minus 8, 4 I will get. And this one it will be 0. Next 9 will come down. Yes, next 9 will come down. These arrows are, I am just showing you. Okay, you no need to write. Then next again 69 into 6 I will do. 6 9s are 54. 6 6 are 36. 41 it will become. So this is 6 are 414 minus 9 minus 4 it is 5. 5 minus 1 it is 4. So this will be our remainder. So therefore quotient it will be 9076, and remainder it will be 45. Okay, this is the answer. So therefore I have showed you how to do division. Okay, how to do multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. These are all revision. Yes, your first unit it is revisional exercise. First unit it was about numbers. Yes, first it was about numbers, but then also most of the things you have already got in your lower classes. Yes, predecessor, successor, place value, okay, greater than, less than, expanded form, write in words, understand? Then addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, already these things you have learned it in lower classes. Okay, so now I will go to unit 2 now. This is your new chapter, unit 2 I will go, which is Roman numerals. Okay, this is unit 2, which is your Roman numerals. Unit 2, Roman numerals. So in Roman numerals, first of all, you see what this one. All you will have to remember, it is that your Roman symbols, symbols, and Hindu-Arabic symbols. Okay, Hindu-Arabic symbols, Roman symbols, and Hindu-Arabic symbols. So this is your, first of all, this is capital letter I. Okay, it means, in here it means 1, and then capital letter V, it means 5, capital letter X, it means 10, capital letter L, it means 50, capital letter C, it means 100, capital letter D, it means 500, and capital letter M, it means 1000. Okay, and next you will have to remember the rules. You will have to remember the rules for Roman. You will have to remember the rules for Roman numerals. Rules for Roman numerals. First, it is numerals of the same values are added. Numerals of the same value. Numerals of the same value are added. Numerals of the same value are added. For example, like this is I. Okay, this is your, if like that it is there, I. Okay, then what we used to do? This is, I used to do 1 plus 1 plus 1. I means 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Numerals of the same value is added. So this way it will give me 3. Next it is X. This is what? 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equals to 30. Okay, next C. This is what? 100 plus 100, which is gives me 200. Next it is M. This is 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. It gives me is equals to 3000. So numerals of the same value are added. And in here, one thing you will have to remember, that symbols like V, L, D are not repeated. These symbols are not repeated. Okay, VV I cannot do, LL I cannot do, DD I cannot do. Understand? V like that I cannot do. Wrong. LL cannot do. Wrong. DD I cannot do. It is wrong. Okay, so VLD are not repeated. You will have to remember this one. A symbol cannot be. So in here you see what I will do. This is 26. Okay, this is 26. I can write it as 20 plus 6. Okay, I can write it as 20 plus 6. Again, you see, which I can write it as is equals to 20. I can write it as 10 plus 10, and 6 I can write it as 5 minus 1. Okay, so the one bracket I will give. This is 10 plus 10 is 20, and 5 minus 1 is 6. So therefore 10 plus 10 means this is x, and 5 minus 1. So I will write 1 IB. Okay, IB. So this is your answer. Oh, sorry, in here, this is 5, not 5, sorry, 5 plus 1. Okay, 5 plus 1. So therefore I will write VI. Okay, a small mistake here. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is XXVI. Next, number B, you see 69. This is your solution. So 69 I can write as 60 plus 9. Now 60 I can write it as 50 plus 10, and 9 I can write it as 10 minus 1. So I know that 50 it is L, this is LX, and this will be IX. Okay, 69. Next, number C, 127. You see this one, 127, I can write it as 100 plus 20 plus 7, 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7, I can write it as 5 plus 1 plus 1. So this one you see, 100 it will be C, and this is 10 plus 10, okay, VII, CXXVII, okay. Next, number F you see, next number F, 3559, yes, 3559. So 3559, I can write it as 3000, okay, 3000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 9. So now you see 3000, I can write it as 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 9, I can write it as 10 minus 1. So this one 1000, 1000, 1000, this is M. 500 for, we have got a Roman symbol for 500, which is our D, and 50 for, we have got L, and this will be IX. This is our answer. Okay. Next you see 5002, number G, it is your 5002, so this will be, I can write it as 5000 plus 2. So 5000 I can write it as V bar, okay, V bar, and 2 I can write it as II. This is our answer, V bar II. Next number H you see 7608. Now 7608 I can write it as 7000 plus 600 plus 8. Okay, so in here you see now this one I can write it as 5000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 600, I can write it as 500 plus 100 plus 8, I can write it as 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is your V bar, this will be your MM, okay, and then this will be your D, this is your C, this is VIII. Okay, let me check the back answer. V bar MM DC VIII. Number H. Okay, they have given DCVI. Okay, instead of writing in this way, 5000 plus 1000, this is 6000. Instead of writing in this way, they have given, or you can write this one in this way also. You see, this is 7000. Okay, this is 7000. So this is VII. If I give bar, then this will be 7000. Okay, and then DCVIII. Okay. Next you see, next number I, it is 68,210. Okay, 68,210. So 68,210 I can write it as 60000 plus 8000 plus 200 plus 10. Okay, so this is, you see here, this is 60,000. Yes, this is 60,000. That means 60 into 1000. So 60 means I know LX is 60. So therefore LX bar if I give, then this will be 60,000. Okay, plus 8,000. Okay, so 8,000 I can write it as VIII. Okay, VIII if I give bar. Okay, then this will be our 8,000 plus this is 200, which is 100 plus 100. So I can write it as this is your CC plus 10. So this is your plus X I will write. So therefore this one I can write it as LXVIII whole bar I will give. This will mean that it is 68,000. Okay, 68,000. Then CCX. Understand? This will be your answer. And then the next one, number J, you see 200,564. So you see this one I can write it as 2 lakhs plus 500 plus 60 plus 4. Okay, so this is your 2 lakhs. Yes, 2 lakhs, that means it is your 200,000. Yes, 2 lakhs, that means it is your 200,000. Okay, so therefore 200 means we know CC, and CC bar if I give, then I will get 2 lakhs. This is 500. 500 symbol, it is your D. This is 60. 60 means 50 plus 10. That means LX. Okay, 50 plus 10. And this is 4. 4 means 5 minus 1. IV. Okay, so CC bar DLXIV. This is your answer. Next you see type 2. Express in Hindu Arabic numerals. Express in Hindu Arabic numerals. MLXXX VI. Okay, MLVI. So therefore you see this is MLXXX VI. Okay, so this one is equals to M means I know it is you see here ML. Yes, this is ML. 1000. This is 50. Okay, so this is 1000 plus 50 plus this is 10 10 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10. This is 5 plus 1. Okay, so therefore if I add it, if all of this if I add it, I will get, this is 30, 36. Let me show you. 1000 plus 50, 60, 70, 80. Yes, 80, and this is 6 plus 6. So this is 6801. Answer will be 1086. This is our answer. Okay, next one you see number B, XIX. Okay, next it is XIX. So this one you see XIX. Okay, X means 10 plus this is IX. Okay, smaller letter, it is in front of a bigger letter. Yes, this is XIX. So this one what I will do, 10 minus 1. So this is 10 plus 9 is equals to 19 I will get. Next you see number E, MCLVI. Okay, MCLVI. MCLVI. So this one you see M is 1000 plus CL. C is your 100 and this is 50. So 100 plus 50 plus VI. V is 5, I is 1. So this one. Okay, so this is 1000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 5 plus 1 if I do. This is 6, 5, 1, 1. 1, 1, 5, 6, 7. Next again you see number F, CDIX. Okay, CDIX. CD, you see smaller letter, it is in front of a bigger letter. D is 500, C is 100. So therefore this one what I will do, 500 minus 100 I will do. Okay, CD, 500 minus 100 plus. Again a smaller letter, it is in front of a bigger letter. This is X is 10, I is 1. This one what I will do, subtract I will do, 10 minus 1. So this is 400 plus 9, 409 I will get. And next it is number G, it is there X, X, X there. So this one we already know that this is 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equals to 30. And I will show you number I. Okay, number I, this is M, 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 C, M, X, L, V, I. Okay, M, M, M. M means 1000. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus CM, smaller letter in front of a bigger letter, minus I will do 1000 minus 100 and plus XL, this is smaller letter in front of a bigger, subtract 50 minus 10 I will do, plus this is 5 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this one it will become 3000 plus this is your 900 plus 40 plus 6788. So this is, it will become 3948. This is my answer, 3948.